So this is where we stop in our last lecture. Today I'll be introducing border into our table. So if you go to our code page, so in the opening tag of the table, just give a space and write border. So equal to a quotation mark. So just write 1 pixel. So if you save your work and click on the play button, so this is our table. Now our table is becoming more beautiful. So if you want the table to occupy the whole screen, the width of the table to occupy the whole screen, the one you are looking at now is, let me say, is 60% of the screen. So if you want it to extend to the whole screen, just come after the quotation mark and put your style. We will learn more about styling in our CSS. Equal to, so you declare the width to be width, introduce your column. Let me write 100%. And if you save your work and view it in our browser, you see now it has occupied the whole screen. So if I want my table to be 80%, let me just write 80. So anyhow you want a table to be, so it will occupy the specification you gave to your table in the opening tag of the table. So let me write 100%. So in our CSS class, we continue with styling of our table. So we will introduce border collapse. So this is not our normal table. If you introduce border collapse, everything will lap on top of each other. Let me introduce it now. Let me say border, after this border collapse. Border hyphen collapse. So I introduce my border collapse equal to collapse. So if you save your work and call me, what's happening? Oh, I'm sorry, 100% and call me. Alright, 100%. So after the 100%, I will declare another input. I need to write semicolon to separate semicolon. So now I will declare my border collapse. To this my column. Border collapse is collapse. Let me save my work. Let me play it. So you see this our table. So we shall continue in our HTML level 2. See you in our next class.